Alright guys, we're back with another little late night video, I guess you could say. And tonight we're gonna do a little bit of the cam tune. Sorry. Sounds pretty good. Not too bad. Not too bad. So this is a Lund tune. I like Lund racing. I think for tuners, for the Mustangs, they are super good. I know a lot of people talk about Palm Beach and stuff like that, and Bama, but I think for what you get with Lund, everything just kind of makes sense. If you guys ever watch like Alejandro Flores, which is Alex from Lund, he talks a lot about just the types of mods that Lund supports, the tuning that they give out, everything about it. So it really just comes down to stuff that makes sense. Wish you could see those halo lights right there. They're just, there we go. Yeah, they're super cool. I really like those. Those are bling lights. But yeah, we're gonna go on a little bit of a drive tonight. Get a couple of good videos in, you know, some good stuff. But yeah, just wanted you guys to hear the chop. The good old chop tune from Lund. It's hard to beat. Super hard to beat. Here in a little bit, I'm gonna go out here and shoot a video in this tunnel that I live nearby over here in Gatlinburg, and see if I can get some good pops in there for you guys and stuff like that. But hope you like this video. Just a quick little, I guess you could say, tune flash of the cam tune for your Mustang from Lund. I've got GT 500 muffler, so it sounds pretty good. It sounds pretty good for sure. But yeah, thank you for watching, and catch you in the next one here. But yeah.